Howdy folks, and welcome to the I Love Springerle channel. I wanted to start making these videos so that you could see more accurately what the mold sizes were in hand. This one is the petting zoo. The maker is House on the Hill, and that's the only brand that we carry at ilovespringerle.com. This one features 4 really cute animals: the dog or hound, the stag, the sheep, and the bunny. These make really wonderful Springerle cookies, and I'm going to show you a few. The first one is the stag, and these cookies are approximately 1.5 inches square, so I call them 2-biters. They're the perfect size. Here's the dog or hound, and I love the way he's looking attentively at something. The next one is the hare, and this one really can show you the depth of the impressions that these molds make. They're like little relief sculptures. I love them. And the next one is the sheep. You can use edible food coloring or food gels to have some fun with colors. Sometimes I'll just do a little accent painting so that it looks cute and it brightens it up. This bunny got caught in the garden patch eating carrots. And I couldn't resist with the next one to make a black lab. Well, thank you so much for viewing and looking at the petting zoo mold. I'm going to put a link below so you can see the catalog of all the molds that we carry for your viewing pleasure. Please like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. See you next time, and happy baking.